Are you a homeowner who loves your home but not your high monthly payment? Is your current interest rate higher than what's being offered today? The key to unlocking significant savings might be a rate and term refinance. You could replace your existing loan with a new one at a more competitive rate. Plus, a refinance can lower your monthly payment, potentially help you pay off your home faster, or even remove costly private mortgage insurance, helping you save over the life of the loan. Hi, I'm Shantanu. I specialize in helping homeowners like you explore a rate and term refinance. I can guide you through every step of the process, from application to closing. Don't let an outdated mortgage keep you from improving your financial future. Visit my website today to start your application and see how much you could save. Your new, lower monthly payment mortgage application could be just a few minutes away. Get started today. Visit go.shantanu.us/apply. That is go.shantanu.us/apply NMLS 1677482.